Good morning to a slightly different day today. I am here at Fantasy Island, and I'm here today because I've actually got a meeting with their marketing team, so which will be all exciting and lots of exciting things to come, hopefully, because of it. And I am also trying out my new vlogging rig today, which is my Canon M50. So I'm just going to see how this does today. It's sort of like a mini vlog. It's not going to be a full day spent here today. We're just so having this meeting, probably going to get on some rides. And also it is National Rollercoaster Day, so happy National Rollercoaster Day to everybody. So yeah, we're going to have this meeting very shortly. I might be able to give you some details about it, and then we're going to hopefully hit up some rides, as long as it's fairly windy today, so I'm expecting that to play a part on some of the bigger rides being closed, but hopefully we'll get on some. So let's go have this meeting. The meeting went really well, and Heidi is a lovely young lady, and yeah, I'm looking forward to meeting the rest of the team at some point in the near future. But could you think of anything creepier than an old McDonald's? Because that is where one of the new attractions is going to be for Fear Island. Now, I've not been to a Fear Island event before, but I've heard they're quite good, and I'm definitely going to be making a trip this year. So it's another basic walkthrough experience, and yeah, judging from what's going on already at the front, it looks like it's going to be quite good. There's they're carrying on the intense theming that they have inside and carrying it onto these, so yeah, it's going to be exciting. But that McDonald's closed down a long time ago, so it's good to see that they're reusing the building for a good purpose. I'm excited for Fear Island. It should be good this year. So here we go, ride on Rhombus Rocket for National Rollercoaster Day. Not the best start with a roller coaster. Off we go on Millennium. Which was the ride we were supposed to be doing 10 times in a row for winning the competition, but unfortunately that never happened. So, but they've been good enough to give me a free wristband for the day, as well as the meeting earlier, so in my eyes that's all good. Time for a nice smooth ride on Millennium, near the back row. Woohoo! Woo! Oh! So smooth! There we go. turn. I wouldn't imagine you'll be able to see a lot. Just a lot of flashing lights. Here we go. They don't get any smoother, do they? Oh God! Oh! Here's the drop. Hey! Whoa! Here we go! Woohoo! Woo! Oh God! Oh. Got the spinning bit in a second. Here we go! And we're spinning. And we're spinning! We're spinning a lot! Oh God! Oh! It's a good job I get really dizzy! Oh damn! Oh! Wow, I'm dizzy. Really, really dizzy now. Whoa! Oh God! Oh! Oh God, that was painful. Yep, I'm dizzy. Oh. Oh. Dizzy. Just done some rides, and I feel like I have fulfilled my national roller coaster day needs. So I'm just taking this this new camera for a stroll around inside, see what the see how it deals with the lighting. From the little display on the side, it seems to be doing a lot better than what the GoPro does. So Fear Island, they've now got a little yeah, some advertising going on. It's the entrance to one of the rides, one of the mazes. Which, yeah, I'm excited for. They've got a little screen advertising what's going to be happening. Fantasy Island definitely has the best carpet. So Fear Island begins on the 12th of October, so make sure you get your tickets booked to not miss out. And I think this camera's doing really well actually. Bit of projection map in there, which was a really good move by Fantasy Island, because that is very impressive. So I think that's me done. The rain is slightly setting in now, so I think that's kind of me done for rides now. Yeah, and I think I've tested this camera. I think it's a good improvement on the GoPro. Still going to use the GoPro for now and then, just because it's easier to carry around, and yeah, if I drop it, it's not going to break it. So, but I'd like to thank Fantasy Island for inviting me down. and especially Heidi for taking the time out of her day to show me around and introduce me to how they do things here. So we will be expecting on-ride POVs from this park now, because I've now been authorised to do so with my visitor badge and pass. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.